channel, and I am Lika. Today we're doing it for the grown and sexy. No, I'm kidding, but for real though, this is really for the sexy, for the date night, for the Valentine Day, for your man, for your woman, for your whomever, for yourself if you ain't got a man or a woman. But yes, I did this makeup look today for Valentine's Day. I like it. I really was going to actually do this makeup look for Valentine's Day, so I thought about it. First of all, it was suggested to do this video. Shout out to who just suggested it. They know who they are, but yes, it was a suggested video on doing a makeup look. I'm sorry, I ain't got my phone on a stand. My stand just broke. Well, not my stand, but the clamp that I put my phone on, it broke. Yeah, whatever. I just wanted y'all to see my face afterwards. Like, after the finished look, like, oh my god. So this Valentine's Day look is more like of a date look, a more date look, sexy-ish, I guess you can say. Night look, and just in case you guys was looking for anything to use for date night, of course red. I mean, red for Valentine's Day. Red lipstick is always a sexy thing. See, I didn't go too dark, go too bright on the lipstick, because usually the brighter the sexier, but I didn't want to. I don't know about doing a bright red with my skin tone. Personally, for me, I don't know about a bright red. Maybe some other time, but not right now. Let's use this look, and this is the Valentine's Day date night look, and I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. Okay, guys? All right, bye. Alright guys, first off, I'm going to start with my NYX Photo Loving Primer. Prime that all over my face so my makeup can stay good and be right. And also to, like, you know, cover some of these pores up. I'm going to take this foundation brush I got from Ulta. It's It Cosmetic brush in the Chic in the City collection. And also I'm going to drop some drops of this Maracuja Oil from Tarte onto my brush so my foundation and whatever I use it with can apply smoother. Also for my foundation, I'm using Becca Cosmetics Aqua Luminous foundation for my face. I also did a review on this foundation on one of my other videos, and you guys should check it out. This right here I'm holding is Tarte's Tartiest Pro Glow. It is a liquid illuminator that gives me life, and it glows so good, y'all. What the world? Watch this, watch this, watch this. See what I told you. Also, you're supposed to mix it with your foundation for it to work better. I find it to work better if I mix it with my foundation because it makes your skin very luminous and silky, and it makes it look more realistic, you know, less cake. All right, just to let you guys know, this is my third liquid illuminator that I had got without actually purchasing it. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, I be on these hauls. I be bargain shopping. Y'all need to check out my videos and see how do I achieve those, okay? All right, I'm gonna go in with one of my Amore brushes and start contouring first. I'm using my Anastasia Cream Contour Kit in the shade Chocolate to start my contour. Yes, guys, I am contouring first this time. I don't know why, I just am. All right, of course, I'm going to contour the regular stuff like the cheeks, the nose, the Cupid's bow, the forehead, but I'm also contouring under my chin too, just so I can hide that extra little ugly little chin I got under there. Yes, I gotta hide it, sis. I love having a more structured face, but not to the point where I look like a man, but like just structure, you know what I'm saying? Plus, I'm going in with my foundation brush again to contour my cheeks, my forehead, and yeah, I think that's all I used it for. Now with my blush brush from It's Cosmetic Chic in the City collection, I am going to finish contouring my nose, my Cupid's bow, and under my chin. First of all, these brushes give me too much life. When I tell you, these brushes are soft, they blend really good, and like, I love them. And I didn't even use Maracuja oil that time, y'all. Alright, I'm going to take another one of my Amore brushes, and I'm going to highlight in the color Banana. No. In the color Cream. Who was I kidding? I'm gonna do my nose, my forehead, Cupid's bow, and under my eye and my jawbone. So my jawbone can come out a little bit more. I've been looking a little, I don't know what to call it, but I don't like it. And my jawbone needs to show a little bit more. That's all I gotta say. Okay, I'm gonna take this beauty blender that I claim to promise that I'm gonna clean one day, okay? I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna blend those parts out. You know what I'm saying? Just to let you guys know, just to be honest, I think my brushes blend better than this beauty blender. I don't know. Maybe y'all could tell me what blends better, what look like it blended better in the comments, but to me, I really think the brush did the job. I really do. Really, really do. All right, I went back into my contour kit and I used the shade Cinnamon for my forehead and my grin lines. I hide my grin lines better that way, and also it gives my forehead a little bit more color than shine, you know what I'm saying? Then I go back and I use the shade Banana to give my face a little bit more glow. Just under, you know, just a little tiny bit, just to glow a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It is date night. You gotta shine. You know what I'm saying? All right, I'm gonna go in with Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Baking Powder. And I guess I'm a bake, y'all. I don't know. I'm starting not to really even like this powder because I think it gives me more cake than, you know what I'm saying, than bake. You know what I'm saying? All right, I'm just gonna use this foundation brush to apply my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Pressed Powder so I can set my contour. I'm using it in the shade Mocha 360. Also, I'm going to use my blush brush to go back with my Fit Me Poreless, Matte Poreless, that's hard to say, pressed powder so I can set the contour on my nose as well. As you guys can see, I'm still using that same brush to dust off my baking, okay? I feel like if I do it that way, it will blend better and the color would look better with my skin. Then I'm going to use this powder brush to basically dust off the excess powder. With my Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Pencil, I'm just going to use the spoolie to brush up my eyebrows. Even though I'm just using the spoolie from my micro pencil, this is great for your eyebrows, like for real. I would be using this if I didn't have anything, but instead I'm going to use my brow and eyeliner gel from e.l.f. in the color Espresso with my angle brush from the same X Cosmetic collection, Chic in the City. I'm going to use it to line my brows and also to shade them in. I'm gonna go in the shade Banana and highlight below my brow and also above my brow. I did not use the shade Banana, but I used the shade Cinnamon only because it is closer to my skin tone, but just a little bit lighter, so I can still get my highlight with my, you know, the highlight to my brow, because I still want my brow to be raised, but I just don't want it to be too highlighted on the top. I feel like there's too much. That's just too much. With my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium 25, I am going to apply this to my lid, so when I do apply my eyeshadow, it will pop, baby. Trust me, it's a tremendous difference when you conceal those lids, ladies. Y'all gotta try it for real, for real, for real. Alright, this eyeshadow by Nomad Cosmetics. I will be using today as my base in the shade Spice Market. I really love the color. It's so pretty. I'm going to be using it as my base today with my eyeshadow brush from the same collection. It's Cosmetics, Chic in the City, okay? Yes, I used all my brushes for this video. I'm not even going to lie because they was really giving me life, but I did use them. All right, now I'm going to pull out Oh Miss Faithful, Miss Fabulous from Ulta, the Jenny Fox collection. And I'm going to use the shade Guru for the crease of my lid. All right, this palette right here actually came from one of my Christmas gift boxes. I'm going to use it with one of my old Eco Tools eyeshadow brushes in the shade Damsel. I really like this color. It's really a cute color, like for real, like a peachy color. But I'm going to use it just for my lid. Also, I'm going to use another one of my Eco Tools eyeshadow brushes, and I'm going to use the shade Cocoa for just the bottom of my eyebrow. In my Miss Fabulous palette, I'm going to go back to the shade Girl and go back into my crease just to brighten it up some more. And also I'm going to use my Nomad Cosmetics Spice Market eyeshadow as well to blend out the outer edge of my shadow so it can look more red and spicy. You know what I'm saying? Like, it gotta be spicy for the night. In my other eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use the shade Angelic to do the inside of my waterline and my tear duct. On the outside of my waterline, I'm going to use the Spice Market eyeshadow so the red and yellow can blend together for a cute waterline color. With my e.l.f. eye and brow liner, I'm going to basically make a guide for my wing eyeliner today so I can go over it with my real eyeliner. Yes, like it has to be that perfect. I have to use a guide first. The brand of eyeliner I used was the Dip Eyeliner by Essence. Honestly, y'all, I hate it. I hate it. First of all, when I applied it, it clumped up with my e.l.f. brow and eyeliner gel, y'all. Oh my gosh. But even if I didn't use it, it still would have sucked because the tip of this dip liner is so thick, and I do not like thick tipped liquid eyeliners. I just can't do it, guys. I can't do it. I do apologize for the light changing. I noticed my ring light was over my camera the whole time. Ugh. The lashes that I applied today was the EYLURE Luxe lashes. And the lip liner I will be using today is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Alabama. All right, this shade goes perfectly with what I'm about to do to my lips today, y'all. Watch what happens. First lipstick I will be using is the Hue Noir A Rage and Raisin shade for the outer part of my lips. Yes, A Rage and Raisin is actually the name of the shade that I'll be using. For the inside, I will be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Monte Carlo for the inside of my lip. And, just try to blend them together for a cute little red. And last and definitely not least, I'm using another NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi to cover up the inside of my lip. Alright, to illuminate, I will be using Makeup Revolution London Skin Kiss Highlighter in the shade Golden Kiss with my powder brush. Also, I'm going to apply Tarte's Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder to, set everything. And also, I will use Makeup Revolution's Illuminating Fiction Spray to finish up my look for today, guys. Alright, y'all, and that is basically it. If you like this Valentine's Day look, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to add me on Instagram and Snapchat, guys. Bye.